Okay, thank you for gathering together. My name is Ian Vincent. I'm the coach of the Meghalaya canoe slalom team, which has just returned from the Khelo India Youth Games in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. And we're very happy to announce that our paddler here got the silver medal. Will you introduce yourself to them? What's your name?
My name is Kurbah.
Okay. So he's from Laubirawa in Riboy, and Bachkim is from Umtam village, which is nearby, and they train on Umtru River down there, and we're very happy to announce that Lung has got that silver medal in a very tough competition. It was actually on the Narmada River, 5th and 6th of February. At a place called Maheshwar, just outside of Indore, on the Whitewater Rapids. It was a very tough course and some very hard competition, but by God's grace he was able to get second place, get the silver medal for this state. So it's something we're very proud of, and we are looking for a good future for the sport here in the state and for good development. We'd really like to thank those who have supported us, and especially Dr. Vijay Kumar, AIS Commissioner for Department of Sports and Tourism, who has been really behind us all and made this trip possible, and we have to really give him a lot of credit for it, for his support.